Hello everyone and welcome to our vlog. In this vlog we are going to
Pattaya.
Excellent! So we're almost done packing and we're waiting for our van. This is Mama's coffee, thank you. And on the way to Pattaya we're gonna stop over in Chonburi because we're planning to go see a mini farm and to show kids some animals, so we're hopefully they can feed them and have lots of fun. And I hope you enjoy watching the vlog. Because I think it's been raining, so we are trying to find our way to make it as clean as possible. But here's a choo-choo train we see. I'm not sure if we can ride it. And we also have few activities to do. We're going to make a pizza. Well, Mia is going to make a pizza. And and we'll see. Maybe we are going to make soap. Uh-oh. Choo-choo! Choo-choo, a little bit, Mia. Little bit. Good roll. Wow, good job, Mia Bella. Roll. Roll, roll, roll. We also got a watermelon smoothie. But I think we should take in two because now we get more mouths to feed. Uh-oh. Well, Mia is doing an amazing job and rolling the dough. Obviously, she gets a little bit of help because she doesn't have so much power. But good job, Mia. And Nico's enjoying the smoothie. And they have a real oven here. It's really great. See, they're putting the fire. Good job. Let's spread it. Yes, like this. Excellent. Wow. Good job, Mia. Now it's time to put ham. Good job. Okay. Oh, pineapples and mushrooms on pizza. Yum, 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 yum. Cheese time. Good job, Mia. Wow. Uh-oh. Like this. And look at this ice cream. It looks so adorable, so cute. Mia went to wash her hands, so maybe after she comes back, we're also gonna treat her for ice cream. And I think it's only 10 baht. Okay. Is our pizza ready? Wow. It's a video, Mia Bella. Let's go. Mama. See the pizza. Yes, Mia Bella. You want ice cream?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh, our pizza is ready. You want to see our pizza? Yeah, you want to see pizza? Ooh, right from the oven. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Is it Mia's?
Yeah.
Wow. So we also got coupons to feed, or it's like 30 baht. So Mia is going to feed. Oh, just almost fell down. Who are you feeding? Goats. Ooh. Oh, they're like babies.
Come this way, Mia.
Huh? Careful. Who do you want? Mia, quick, quick, quick. Choose who do we want in our soap. We have many figures. That's what we got. And we're going to put some soap. We're going to mix colors. Here's a bit of Nicholas busy eating the pizza. So I will do soap for Mia. We're going to add like some coloring. I'm going to mix. Can you mix it at least for me, Mia? Can you mix? Thank you. Here, mix nicely, but it's hot. Good job.
Okay, good.
A normal one. It's a video. Kapunka. Yeah. Say thank you, Kapunka. So we're trying to get in our room, but we got a problem. We can't open the door. Uh-oh.
It says green.
Uh-oh. So we're finally in our room. The dog got stuck.
Hello.
Hello. So yeah, we're staying in A1 hotel. And I have balcony here too. The view is, yes, you can see the sea from here. So it's nice. Oh, what happened? Do you like the room?
So,
And we have a bathroom. We already wash. Bathroom, you want to show the bathroom, Mia Bella?
Bathroom here.
Okay, thank you.
This and door.
Mm,
This is the two.
okay. So the hotel is just alright. Yeah, just like we're here to mostly just sleep. During the day we're gonna be out, and during the evening we're probably gonna be out. We're staying here just for 2 nights, and we come with not by ourselves. So yeah, we have been a tour kind of around Pattaya. So yeah, it's gonna be fun and enjoyable time. Today is currently Monday, so we're coming back to Bangkok on Wednesday. Please. My beautiful little girl. You don't want the sand? So we are by the beach and there's sunset. Looks beautiful. But Mia doesn't want to go because she doesn't want to get her feet dirty. But it's fine, Mia Bella, let's go. Nicholas is fine. So we came to the night market in Jomtien. Gonna get some food, but I don't know, we're looking through the clothes and souvenir section. Good prices, cheap sunglasses. Sticky rice. Really good price actually, 50 baht only. And noodles. Oh, they have Russian blinchiki. Oh, yum, and pelmeni.
190 บาทครับ190 บาท 100
And now we're full from the market and we are going to explore Walking Street. We'll see, haven't been there for I don't know how many years. a really long time, and it definitely changed a lot. So yeah, excited to see what they have there now. But we're going quite early. It's 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. So it's not that fun. So it would be like past 10 o'clock or 11, 12. Good morning everyone, and welcome to day 2 of my vlog in Pattaya. We actually woke up quite late.
Hello. Hello.
Hello Mia Bella.
Hello.
Okay, good to know. So yesterday kids went to sleep quite late for them, almost, and they went to sleep around 10 p.m, which is quite late because usual time is 8 p.m. And today they actually woke up around 7:30, which is like also the usual time, 6:30, 6 a.m. So we had some time to lie in, and we are going to have a breakfast. I don't really. French fries and chicken nuggets for breakfast? No, Mia Bella, cannot. So yeah, since we are staying in our A1 hotel, how many stars is it? Like 3, 4 stars, so I don't expect much. What happened, Mia? So yeah, so I don't expect anything. When you don't have any expectations, you don't have anything to disappoint with. So we'll see the breakfast. If we like it, we're gonna stay in the hotel. If we'll find out it's not as good and there's nothing much to eat, then we'll probably go somewhere else. Yummy. Hi, so we finished our breakfast. I didn't record any breakfast because there was not much to show. There were like a lot of people and we're busy with kids. But we had like a little bit to eat, so it's okay for us. Keep going for like an hour or 2 before lunchtime. And now we are on our way. Do you know, Nicholas, where? We are going to see sheeps. We're going sheep. Yeah, I don't say sheep. Sheep, just sheep. Yeah, we're going to a sheep farm. They're gonna be hopefully other animals. Okay, and I hope it's gonna be fun. Are you excited, Nicholas? Yes, you are. So we arrived here. Our babies go for free. For adult, it's 100 baht each, and we also got a show for bird to see the bird show, and it's additional 120, so we pay 320. So let's see what's inside. Are we going, Mia Bella? We can already see the pony, and the territory looks. Wow, pony! Can you see? 2 ponies actually. Wow, and the territory looks quite big. Huh?
That big pumpkin for Halloween.
Pumpkin, yes, looks good. Mia, can you see the goat up there? Uh-oh, what is he doing there? Oh, can you see the sheep? Careful.
Black sheep.
Wow, donkey. Ah. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Smile. The babies. Yeah, they have pony here, baby. Oh no! Uh-oh, who is here? Uh-oh, scary. Go 2 goats, yes, and there's a horse. Mia, look behind you. There's a horse behind you, eating. He's hungry. Oh, look at those piggies. Lying down. Oh, piggy? Mia, you want to ride a horse? A pony? Wow, nicely. Ooh. Good job. Hold. Okay, can you hold nicely? Wow. And they have many statues, sheep and different happy birthday sheep. So many locations to take photos.
Mama.
Where's Nicholas? You like it? Oh, Mia Bella, where are you? Okay, there's one more section inside. A mermaid? No, there's no mermaid. Oh, it's like the three little pigs. Huh? Yeah, Pinocchio. Yeah, no, it's a frog. Wow, so pretty. Careful, Mia Bella. Yeah. So basically we just were here, Pattaya ship farm. Our bird show starts like in 15 minutes, so we have time to spend. So we decided to go across. I'm not sure if we can actually go through here. And there's Candyland, or Ice Cream Land, I'm not sure, but look how cute it is. Wow. So yeah, you can get from this side, but you have to pay 120 baht for adults. Nicholas, let's go.
Go, Nicholas.
Nicholas, let's go. Oh, go. Oh, you found candy. Yum. Ah. Wow, this looks actually really good and so colorful. Yeah, recommend it to come with kids and take so many photos. Ooh, cheese. Wow. Oh, where are you going, Mia? Oh, Mia is going on a slide. Wow. This is one of the slowest slides. But look, it looks super nice. And we got an ice cream because it's quite hot. Oh, are you going to share?
What one do you want? Hi.
Uh-oh. So apparently this wasn't the one Mia wanted. And what do you want? You want a strawberry one? Uh-oh. And of course Papa buy anything for his little princess. Oh, Mia, can you share with Nicholas? Thank you. Wow, good sister. It's quite hot. We're sweating. We're getting some ice cream for refreshment. And after we finish ice cream, hopefully really soon, we're going to see the bird show, which starts like in 10-15 minutes. So we need to cross again the bridge and get to another side. So we crossed to another side, gave our tickets, and we're ready to go to the bird show. Are you excited? Yeah, I got some sunflower seeds to feed the birds. The prices range like from 20, 30, like 50 baht, depends which animal you want to feed. Mia Bella, look! Oh, the parrots. Big and small. Uh-oh, but they're in the cage. Uh-oh. So we're getting ready to see the show. Nicholas!
Take picture. Okay, sample sit up.
Yes, like this? Wow. Wow. So we just finished the show. Mia, did you like the show? Yes, it was so good. It was interactive. So if you come here, definitely come here for the show. The kids would love it, and even for me as an adult, it's like so much fun. Yeah, you get to feed, you get to take so many photos. The staff is also very nice and they speak English. Mia, you like or no? Yeah, she like it. But now we're waiting for our taxi. We're going home because it's nap time. Kids are tired, sweaty, hungry. Wow, we had so much fun today. And like, can you see? It's like 2 in 1. You can like visit the Candyland and the sheep farm. And of course we bought a souvenir. Look at this. But no Alex in the photo because he was taking photos of us. But it's 150 baht. Good souvenir, good memory. Have a good time. So yeah, super fun. So it's already almost 6 p.m. Kids had their nap time. We had a quick snack. We had a kebab, Pasha's kebab. We love it here in Pattaya. You can check it out next to Mike's shopping mall. One of the best ones, good price compared to Bangkok. Bangkok is super expensive. And now we are probably going to Central just to chill. And then we will have to figure out what to do for dinner. But it's gonna be a sunset soon.
You take a some towel?
Yeah, we're waiting for Santa. Look, so beautiful. And we are taking a Santa. Look at the view. My beautiful family and the sunset. Gorgeous. So we're in Central. Look at those. Now they have Halloween decorations here. Happy baby. And guess where we ended up for dinner? Can you recognize the crowds? Of course, we ended up in Phuket, our favorite seafood restaurant. So we're a little bit late. Our friends are already here, and they probably already started eating like half an hour ago. So of course we got a balloon for Mia Bella. Hopefully Nicholas is not gonna cry. We're waiting for our ice cream. And we are going to put those sprinkles. Yes, Mia?
I want 2 ice cream.
No, just one, Mia. Wow, what a beautiful... Nicholas, catch. Catch. Uh-oh. Marshmallows. So yeah, we just ate lunch and now we're ready to go home to Bangkok. It's actually starting to rain here in Pattaya, so we just leave in right on time. Hopefully it's not too bad raining in Bangkok because I don't really want to get stuck in traffic. But yeah, did you have fun? So yeah, we had fun, and thank you for watching this vlog. Bye. Mia, can you say bye?
Bye.